G'day guys, Nick here at Wirrawilla Rainforest walk. So rude of me. It's Nick here along with Terry at Wirrawilla Rainforest walk slash Tanglefoot hike slash Myrtle Gully hike. We'll see how much of that we can get done today. We're here to see the leeches. We can't wait to see them down there in that ferny glade. There's absolutely nothing to worry about when it comes to leeches. Butane, diethyl, toolamide, isopropyl, fragrance. You can be hiking with open pants at the base and be carrying up to a dozen leeches on your legs and you don't even know it. So when you think about leeches, just think of them as a symbiotic relationship between you and the bush. This has got absolutely nothing to do with the leeches. Nothing. This is a great place to come and see some of your older world type trees that grow in these rainforest environments, like your Myrtle Beech, your sassafras and your blackwood, and don't forget Lawsonia superba, or these big bloody bush flies. Don't let them sit on the skin for too long, for crying out loud. Give them a good solid whack.
You know what that's Kerry gonna say? How's the serenity? Just magic. Couple little fishies in the rock pool just up ahead. Light streaming down through the trees from above the ridge line. Beautiful dark pools of tannin water. Oh, this is the stuff of dreams.
Thanks for the music blower, Carolyn. Very nice of you to cook this for me. We're here at the intersection of Myrtle Gully Track and Tanglefoot Track. It's just a pleasant little place to pull up stumps and take stock of things. The length of time it takes to do the boardwalk here would be a little more than 20 minutes if you just shot straight through, but giving yourself enough time to stop and look at the various different beautiful wonders along the way, you probably need to give yourself at least 45 minutes to fully take it in. Pardon me while I break down this spider's house. That's better. Nothing worse than a spider web in the face, wondering whether the spider comes with it. Wow, I just love it here. It is dramatically beautiful. It's got me thinking whether Motti would consider it for a natural water birth.
Gunny, I might need your help selling the value.